guys, on this episode of Knuckle Busters Garage, we're going to do a full exhaust setup on a 2020 Supra. Let's go check out what we got in the boxes. I'm not going to say it. Oh yeah. Let's throw it in. But yeah, first thing you do is get the car up in the air and figure out what you need to do to get any of the pans off underneath, underbelly pans, so you got to get all that stuff off. Whatever may be in the way, and then we're gonna go ahead and drop the factory exhaust. And from what we've seen, it looks like it's gonna be a full one piece, but we'll figure it out when we get under there.
Wait, this is it right now. I'm taking this cross member off to
right in front of the back wheel. Cross member here. I'm looking at it upside down, so you can see the rear end of the car's over this way. What's off? Right about here's where it goes into the one pipe. And here's where it goes up front. So, yeah. So all this stuff come out. And then this crossover piece back there we're trying to take out. Dude said it was heavy. So you're going to remove this weird bracket right here. Here, bring it out this way. I'll take it.
Yeah, we're going to need it back into this. Hang on.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Here's what she looks like on the ground. This wildly heavy bracket, which is made of aluminum and very light. So yeah, you're gonna remove that.
Can I have that?
Free up this whole rear section.
Can I have that right there, please?
What's up?
Can I have the ratchet 3/8? Sir.
Oh yeah. They have this plastic flapping, and now you can get to a huge amount of the exhaust now instead of having that bracket there. So you're trying to remove the clamp up there and full send. God, dude, the stock, which is garbage, to the aftermarket. Beautiful.
Oh fuck! Hey, dude, this is how I'm done. All this time.
He doesn't know how. Honey.
Saw it, dude.
There you go.
This new stuff, all laid out, nice and sexy, compared to the old garbage. Oh yeah.
At least it's in pieces. So. Yeah.
Yep. Way good. So in the pack it comes with 4 of these, the tiny guys here, and then some beefy boys. Oh yeah.
Come on.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then run some springs between those. Oh, yeah.
4 tiny guys.
God, you guys are beautiful.
You want to put your TP in that hole and I put my TP in this hole?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, the clamp on that.
Oh, it's the clamp for the end, Joe.
Who's surprises?
That's a good question. Oh, dude, it's gonna look so good under there.
No, right here.
Bolting up the down pipe now. Look at that. Gorgeous. Let's go ahead and crawl under here real quick.
There you go.
Doing that hanger, just finished the one on that side. There's one somewhere in this area, right around this tip here. The hanger here, and then 2 on the back side there.
Yeah.
So we got the side done,
Yeah,
all together. We're just trying to shove that one on. And he's working on the down pipe right now. After that, we'll put that weird crossmember bracket piece back on right across here, and then bolt all the plastic together. It's in. We got the crossmember piece here. The front's all hooked up. And right now we're working on just getting the tips done.
Okay.
God, dude!
Fuck yeah! Do it again!
Hell yeah!
That's what it was!
Oh my God, dude!
God, dude.